Dialogue 1.
I hate grocery shopping.
Why is that?
It's always so crowded,
I know, it can be overwhelming.
and I can never find anything.
Have you tried making a list?
I always forget something though.
That's why I use an app.
An app for grocery shopping?
Yes, it's called Grocery IQ.
What does it do?
You can make a list and it organizes it by aisle.
That sounds amazing.
It's a game changer, trust me.
I'll have to try it out.
And don't forget to compare prices.
I usually just grab the first thing.
That can be a mistake.
How do I compare prices?
Look at the unit price.
The unit price?
Yes, it tells you the price per unit of measurement.
I had no idea.
It's a great way to save money.
What about buying in bulk?
It can be a good idea.
But what if I don't use it all?
Only buy what you know you'll use.
I see, that makes sense.
And don't forget your reusable bags.
I always forget those too.
It's better for the environment.
I'll make sure to bring them.
And don't forget to check for coupons.
Coupons for groceries?
Yes, they can save you money.
I'll have to start looking for them.
You'll be a pro in no time.
Dialogue 2.
I love grocery shopping.
Really? Why is that?
I love trying new recipes.
That's a great reason.
And I love finding new ingredients.
It can be fun to experiment.
Exactly. And I love the atmosphere.
What do you mean?
The smells, the colors, the energy.
I never thought of it that way.
It's like a food adventure.
I can see why you enjoy it.
And I love supporting local businesses.
That's a great way to shop.
And I love finding deals.
Who doesn't love a good deal?
Exactly. And I love the samples.
The samples?
Yes, some stores have food samples.
I've never seen that before.
It's a great way to try new things.
I'll have to keep an eye out.
And I love the challenge.
What challenge?
Trying to find everything on my list.
That can be a challenge.
But it's a fun one.
I can see why you love it.
And I love the sense of accomplishment.
When you finish your shopping?
Yes, it's a small victory.
I can see.
Dialogue 3.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
What brings you to the store?
Just need to grab some groceries.
Me too. What's on your list?
Milk, bread, eggs, and cheese.
Sounds like a breakfast menu.
Yeah, I love breakfast food.
Me too. It's the best.
Do you have any recommendations?
The bacon here is really good.
I'll have to try it.
What about you? Any recommendations?
The produce here is always fresh.
That's good to know, thanks.
No problem, happy to help.
Have you tried the new cereal?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Yeah. It's really tasty.
I'll have to give it a try.
You won't regret it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you need any help?
No, I'm good. Thanks though.
All right, have a good day.
You too, take care. Dialogue 4.
Excuse me, do you know where the pasta is?
Yes, it's in aisle 6.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you have any recommendations for pasta sauce?
I really like the marinara sauce.
Is it spicy or sweet?
It's a little bit of both.
Sounds good, I'll try it.
You won't regret it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you need any help finding anything?
Actually, yes. Do you know where the olive oil is?
Yes, it's in aisle 3.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you have any recommendations for a good brand?
I really like the extra virgin olive oil from Italy.
Is it expensive?
It's a little bit pricier, but it's worth it.
All right, I'll give it a try.
You won't regret it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem, happy to help.
Have a good day.
You too, take care.
Dialogue 5.
Excuse me, do you know where the bread is?
Yes, it's in aisle 2.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you have any recommendations for a good loaf?
I really like the sourdough bread.
Is it fresh?
Yes, it's baked daily.
Sounds good, I'll try it.
You won't regret it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you need any help finding anything?
Actually, yes. Do you know where the peanut butter is?
Yes, it's in aisle 4.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
No problem, happy to help.
Do you have any recommendations for a good brand?
I really like the natural peanut butter without added sugar.
Is it expensive?
It's a little bit pricier, but it's healthier.
All right, I'll give it a try.
You won't regret it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem, happy to help.
Have a good day.
You too, take care.